Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your YouTube verification code issue. So let's just get straight into the video. The first thing you want to try to do is try another phone number. Using a different phone number, particularly one from a different service provider, is often the most effective solution. If that doesn't work, if text messages are not arriving, choose the voice call option to receive the code via an automated phone call. Also, check your phone's messaging apps for blocked contacts or spam folder. The verification number, for example 10006, might have been accidentally blocked. Also, the other thing you want to try to do is toggle on and off your airplane mode just to give that network a refresh. Also, if you have requested the code way too many times, wait 24 hours before trying again to avoid being locked out. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.